Okay, everyone, here is the rules you have to follow if you come to my house with my fire alarm. If you come into my house, do not pull my fire alarm for fun, do not tamper with my fire alarm, do not paint my fire alarm, and do not smash my fire alarm. Those are all no-nos. You don't do that. You never ever mess with my fire alarm. You leave my alarm alone. Don't tamper with fire alarms at my house. If you tamper with fire alarms at my house, you are going to get in big trouble, you are going to get fined, and you are going to get arrested. Because it is against the law to tamper with my alarm. So, do not ever tamper with my alarm. You could go to jail if you mess with fire alarms at my house. You don't tamper with fire alarms anywhere. Even if you are going to somebody's house and they have a fire alarm set up, you still don't tamper with that because are they your alarms? No, they're not, so don't tamper with it. It is worse if you are tampering with fire alarms in public buildings. In general, it is bad doing it, unless you own the device. If it's your alarm and you own it, you can, but if you are at someone's house with their alarms, or in a public building, it is not acceptable for any reason. So, if you come into my house, do not tamper with my fire alarms. Bye.